Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box, where we have the show where we bring you what's new and greatest, open it up, show you what's in the box, and then we give it away to one of you guys. So my name is Mike Hurwitz. I'm the SSM here at Dow Technologies, and today I have with me
Justin Roberts.
And Justin, how are we going to give this away to somebody?
So what we're going to do is we're going to raffle it off, and you're going to put your dealer name or number in the comments, and you have to also like and subscribe. So
pretty easy.
Yep.
Pretty easy to win the prizes on it. We do this regularly, so make sure you tune in and check out. Some of the prizes are well over $1,000 that we've had here, so it's pretty awesome. What'd you bring with us today, Justin?
So today I brought the Cobra SC100 dash cam. It's a smart dash cam, so pretty cool deal.
Let's take a look at the packaging here. Definitely nice packaging, nice retail packaging. So definitely something that will fit in well at your independent retailer. And looks like right here they have the QR code where you download the app, which is pretty neat. We'll dive into that a little bit here.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see.
Your phone's ringing?
Let's see. Hello, this is Mike.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah. Oh man, is this another one of those
Extended
car loan
warranties or
things
something?
expired? I told you I don't want any of that.
Oh no, I got the car warranty stuff now. I'm looking for Santa this year. Hey, this is Patrick. Yeah, I got Christmas out from the 12 days of 12
12
Oh yeah,
12.
Patrick. Why didn't you say
Yeah.
so? Hey, what's going on, buddy?
Hey, you guys shooting a video right now?
Yeah, we're kind
right
of
in the
busy
middle of
right
it.
now.
Okay, good. I'm not interrupting anything.
Yeah, a little bit, but what's going on?
I don't care. Okay, I want to make sure you guys are telling everybody about the 12 days of 12 months. Have you even mentioned it yet?
Well, not yet, but we were getting to it.
Okay.
You rudely interrupted us.
Okay, sorry, okay? I just want to make sure we're teaming up with all of our vendors this year for some amazing deals on popular,
Yeah.
profitable products.
Yeah, it's been going good so far.
Yeah,
but what are you going to tell us about what's coming out next? We want to know.
So there's going to be some exciting deals from a few of our vendors like Triton, Planet Audio, Escort, Metro, Audio Control, just to name a few.
Okay,
cool.
so it's going to get better and better as it goes.
Yeah, so, and plus, Sony, they're going to have a special gift for 10 lucky dealers.
Oh man.
You gotta make sure that you're participating in the promos, or you won't be in to win.
Okay, we'll make sure
All right,
to tell
awesome.
everybody. Save one for me and Justin. We want one too.
Okay, I know you guys have been on the nice list this year.
Oh yeah.
It's been a long time, so I'm glad you guys are back on it.
Yeah, us too.
Okay, so
Oh, yeah.
make sure to tell everybody 12 days, 12 gold.
Yep, we'll tell all the retailers and make sure they stock up. But we got to go. We got to finish shooting this video.
Okay, Santa's calling me right now. I gotta go, okay?
All right, we'll see you, Patrick.
Okay,
See ya.
so happy holidays.
Happy
I
holidays.
see it.
All right, well, that was unexpected.
Oh, man,
I mean,
that was
12
weird.
days of Christmas, we did it last
Yeah.
year. 12 days of 12 volt. So you guys probably been seeing some of the emails, account manager's been calling you, but just make sure you tune in. There's a lot of good specials out there, and like Patrick said, there's some giveaways and stuff like that too. So,
Yeah.
but let's see, where were we?
All
Talking
right,
about this
so
box.
back
Good
to
box.
Back to the dash cam.
Let's open
All right,
it
let's
up.
get opened up here
Let's get down to it.
before we were rudely interrupted.
This pristine box. That's.
Yeah. Let's see what we got. Rip that thing open.
I know, right? There you
we
go. All right, let's take a look here.
All right, what we got here?
Okay, there you go. Here's the meat and potatoes of it. What we got
Man,
there?
it's small. So, dash cam. So it's adjustable front or rear. Here's your mounting point here for the dash cam on the windshield. Super small. So out of sight, out of mind, behind the rearview mirror. You have your button here to go through the menu. You have your USB plug-in and also a SD card. So 8 gig SD card comes with it as well. So pretty cool deal.
Let's take a look.
Super
I
small.
like these slim cameras. They're very discreet on your windshield. Kind of
Yeah.
stays out of your way.
Yep.
As far as aesthetically looking, it looks a lot better than some of those
Yeah.
that are so big and bulky that you
Yeah.
sometimes see. This is more of something that you'd go to an independent retail and have professionally installed, so it looks good on your nice vehicles. So
That's awesome.
let's see what else we got here.
All right, so we got some cables here. We have a cigarette lighter plug for
Another
power.
cable here, too.
So to the USB. This is the USB to micro USB if you want to put it on the computer for uploading the video content to the computer, things of that sort, and email it out, whatever you need to do with it. So
Obviously something for a self-install, but
Yep.
for the most part, if you want a professional job, you go to an independent retailer and he'd hide the wire so you don't see anything. Actually, you
Yeah,
won't even
nice
see
clean
hardly even the
install.
camera. Here's our last piece right here.
Okay, so this is your your mounting point plus also your GPS sensor is going to be built in to here as well. So it's double-sided tape mounted to the windshield, front or rear windshield, and then you mount your dash cam there. So pretty cool deal. The GPS sensor is going to give you your speed and location as far as the video. So it actually stands up in court, and I mean you can kind of prove your point. I mean, if you're speaking to a law enforcement or something like that. So pretty cool deal there. Super cool dash cam. Really neat as far as the cigarette lighter if you want to put it from vehicle to vehicle, and then you have your cable for the computer. So pretty cool deal there. It's got really good packaging. So we're gonna be raffling it off. Make sure you put your dealer name or dealer number in the comments, and we'll be giving it away. So
yeah, who should we thank for this?
the guys at Cobra. So the guys at Cedar, Brady, Ray, Donnie. So those guys at Escort and Cedar, they definitely give us the product to give away. So we definitely thank those guys.
Yeah, this isn't their first product they give. They're rock stars for the industry and helping out retailers. So we're just glad to be able to have this to give to one of you guys. So
Cool.
appreciate you guys watching. Check us on the next one.
Absolutely. Thank you.